Hello everyone. We will continue with my Firebase authentication demo that we just finished in our lesson. So we completed sign up, and today we're going to do sign in, sign out, and also we will learn how to delete account. So first of all, I would like you to test your previous authentication demo. Let's try to something very straightforward. Let's try to add, for example, nick yahoo.ca, and the password will be always the same: 1 2 3 4 5 6. It will be easy to remember because we need to learn how to sign in after this. So right now we sign up for nick yahoo.ca. So right now we click sign up, and we see sign up successful. Let's check in Firebase console. So right now I want to reload it. And yes, on the top we see nick yahoo.ca, and it was successful sign up. So right now we learn how to sign in and sign out. So right now we're going back to our activity, login screen activity, and remember we did private function sign up. So right now we're going to create very similar function with sign in. For simplicity, I will copy this right now and paste below, and modify this function very fast. Instead of sign up, it will be sign in. So we will use the same authentication with email and password, and we changing authentication method. We will be using sign in with email password. And you see that right now we just need only to copy previous parameters to our new method and delete the previous create user. And that's all changes. Just don't forget to change also logcat messages. So we'll be here sign in successful. And in case if you cannot, if your password will be wrong, probably will be not possible to sign in. It will be failed. Before running the code, we need to also bring the button for sign in. So I will copy this button sign up. And usually sign in is before sign up, right? Because it's more popular. I will sort it here. It will be button sign in, and just change it only sign in. We change button click to sign in and text sign in. All right, so let's run this code. So right now I'm going to use my nick yahoo.com, nick at yahoo. 1 2 3 4 5 6 sign in, and sign in is successful. So yeah, if I right now for some reason I delete one symbol in the password and try to sign in again, you see right now initial task failed. The supply authentic credential is incorrect. The same I can do for nick yahoo.ca. Hopefully it also will be successful since I have these two. Email registered. So sign-in works very well, and it's very easy to implement. Right now we're going to proceed with the current user. What is a current user definition? This is the actual account, the current account that was logged in or signed in to the application. So we can create here another logcat in the login screen to check who is the current user right now. So let's create another logcat, my log, and second we will be displaying the current user email. This is very important to know who is currently active in the system. So authentication dot current user from authentication and dot email. So it's safe to show email to the screen, and it's underlined here with red line. So if you check here, they suggest you to replace with a safe call. So why? Because email can be null. So what is the problem here? Yeah, we didn't cross double quotation, and everything looks good right now. Okay, so remember we just last time we tested 2 emails. Let's see which email right now is active. So without even running the code, let's see what is here. The current email is nick@yahoo.c. You see, this is the problem. So we actually have this nick@yahoo.ca registered and logged into the system, and the current email is still the same because user didn't log out. So we need to create right now another method that would be used to sign out the user. So let's create one more method that will be responsible for sign out. So it will be much simpler this time. Again, I will copy, but I will clean it. For sign out, you need only one parameter, Firebase instance, and should be method here available sign out directly. So we don't need any listeners here. We just only need to say that we sign out. So logd madlog sign out. Extra things here. Just don't forget to input here double quotes. Okay, so yeah, let's add the code here for this button. I will just create another copy underneath here. Button sign out. It will be used only one parameter, authentication parameter, and the rest will be deleted. Okay, so let's run the code and see how this method works. So first of all, I just want to clean the log with the logcat. I'm using here my log. So the current email is nick@yahoo.ca. Let's do sign out. Sign out successful. Let's exit application and run it again. So what do you think about the current email now? So since we interacted with application, we sign out, the current email should be null, which is proved by this logcat message. So yeah, so in this case, sign in, sign out, and sign up works pretty well as we expected. So the last method we have to use to delete account, and this one is not that straightforward because delete account will be possible only in this case from the user that can authenticate themselves. So in this case, I would create here a similar method what we did before and modify it. So let's create here function delete account. So for delete account, we need again instance for Firebase, we need email and password. However, before proceed, we need to make sure that the person can re-authenticate yourself. So it means only when you have legitimate name and password, you will be able to proceed with deletion. So first of all, we will be collecting credentials. So very credentials is just local variable, and this variable will be based on email authentication provider dot get credential. And when we just getting credential, we need to include email and password that we will be using in the parameter list. I'll copy them here. So once we get this credential, we should reauthenticate account. So it means we have to make sure that person that trying to delete account knows about current user credentials. So we'll be using authentication.currentUser. And should be method reauthenticate. Yeah, just read it here. And the parameter will be credential. There is a red squiggly line here. Yeah, in case user is null, we probably need to use here a question mark. The next we're going to do, as we usually did here, a listener. So yeah, the listener here will be similar to the one we used before. So we should add here add complete listener the same way we did before. So this should be here, and then IT will be available here if you type here iterator here, replace with save call. So if IT is successful, it means if reauthentication was successful, we need to delete the user, right? So for deleting the user, we have to use a direct command authentication dot current user dot delete. And again, like here, potential user can be null. So log D, my current log. Yeah, we can say user was deleted. Otherwise, if the authentication was not successful, we can say reauthentication failed, and that's obviously a user was not deleted. You can say reauthentication failed. So let's run the code and see how potentially delete account works. But I guess I forgot to insert the button, right? So just go here. Sorry about this. So just need to go here and here the button delete account. So normally we don't use delete account in the same screen, right? But this is just for the demo purposes. We using this delete account here. Usually it's not the place to delete account, but so we're using delete account, and we will pass in the same arguments here that we had here: email state value and password state. Okay, so let's run this code. So right now, yeah, it's installed, and we have delete account button. I guess I have one confusion. I having button SignOut, and I did not really update the SignOut message. That was my confusion. Sorry about this. I have to run again because my button SignOut had different message. So I was not attentive to this. Right now, I noticed the two buttons have the same title. Very confusing. So right now, I have everything here unique: sign in, sign up, sign out. So right now, current email is null, obviously, because we don't have active user. So I'm using right now my nick at yahoo.ca, and it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm using sign in. So sign in was successful. So right now, yeah, obviously, I can delete it right now the account since I'm here in this current account. And I press delete. User was deleted. Let's check this from Firebase console, and you see I have to right now reload, and the first nick at yahoo.ca was deleted. So yeah, if you try right now to sign in with this account again, so the sign-in failed, the supplier authentical credential is incorrect because we deleted account, and obviously this account doesn't exist anymore. Okay, so it was a video how to add sign in, sign out, and how to delete account. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.